Hey, good morning, everybody. Don't mind my morning makeup, because I'm not doing that this morning. But we are packing for a trip right now, and so I thought I would show you some of my tips that I've got going on. So here we go. Oh, there you go. That's awkward turnaround. But one of my favorite things to do is bring one of these pop-up baskets on my trips for laundry. So when we're in our hotel room or even in our camper, I can just throw all the dirty clothes in there. And I used to bring just a mesh bag, but the clothes would just end up on top of the bag instead of in the mesh bag, and this doesn't take up too much more room than that, so I like it way better. So when I pack our medicine, I always put them in individual Ziplocs. That way if something leaks, everything isn't gotten all sticky, medicine-y. And I also do this with our pills too, because they take up a lot less room in Ziploc bags than they do in the little pill holders. I put our clothes for traveling in the day before, so we know what we're going to wear, even shoes and everything, and things I've forgotten, like my charger here, hairbrush, I put next to my pile so I don't forget to pack them in the morning. Since our family is super white, we use a lot of sunscreen. So one of my favorite things to do while traveling is I take a big thing of sunscreen for sure, but it's like carrying that around with us all the time. I refill little containers. Like this is pink for baby stuff, so it's stronger. And then my other favorite is even filling up like this little sports one with a carabiner that I got for like $1 at Walmart. And I just hook that onto my backpack, and whenever we need to refill, we don't have to dig it out. It's just right there ready to go. Super easy, and it keeps us using a lot more when we do this and have it on the keychain. But even this out hiking or whatever is way better than carrying a giant big bottle. So there you go. Another tip I have is to clean your house before you leave, so that way it's nice and clean when you come back. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but I'm always happy when it does. We're gonna try. We're gonna speed clean all this. Woo!